Wondering how to maximize your space with a low-maintenance door solution? Imagine a door that's not just practical, but also stylish, cost-effective, and easy to maintain. Welcome to the world of PVC folding doors. Firstly, PVC folding doors are a real space saver. Their design allows them to fold neatly away, opening up your room and giving you more space to breathe. No more worrying about doors swinging out and taking up valuable room. Secondly, PVC as a material is much more affordable than wood. It offers the same strength and durability, but at a fraction of the cost. You get the same beautiful finish without breaking the bank. Thirdly, one of the biggest advantages of PVC folding doors is their low maintenance. They're easy to clean, and there's no need for polishing or painting. A simple wipe down now and then is all they need to keep looking their best. Moreover, PVC folding doors are rust-proof, termite-proof, and waterproof. They can withstand the elements and continue to function and look great for years. They also come in a variety of solid colors, self-printed designs, and wooden textures. You have the freedom to choose a style that matches your decor and personal taste. PVC folding doors are not just practical, they also provide more opening space. They fit in the given slot, so there's no need to provide extra provision. They can create closet space in both small and large rooms, enhancing the functionality of your space. Now, where can you find these amazing PVC folding doors? VEENUS Innovations is the answer. They offer top-quality PVC folding doors at a reasonable rate. They provide excellent service across India with super fast and safe delivery. You can trust VEENUS Innovations to deliver on their promise of quality and service. So why wait? Save space, save money, and enhance the aesthetics of your home with PVC folding doors. Contact VEENUS Innovations today and transform your space with the perfect door solution.